So now I gotta walk around here barefaced with only mascara and eyeliner on because I don't got no damn eyebrow pencil. I went to Sephora and Target yesterday, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Skincare haul. The girls on TikTok been talking about double cleansings, and I am a Fenty skin girl. Like, when I say tried and true, Rihanna came through with the skincare game and shut it down for you, girl. But I've been trying to switch it up because I've noticed that my skin has not been performing in the manner that I would like. And as we transition from summer to fall, I know that my skin is gonna try to wreak havoc on me, and I'm not going for it. I got the green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. Next, I got ordinary glycolic acid. I got the toner. This has really been tightening my pores and trying to get me together. So, plus I use it on my underarms because if you know, you know. Next, I got Dermalogica micro exfoliant. Since I have textured skin, I've been on the search to find a good exfoliant that can really deep clean my pores, and I will let y'all know how I feel about it. Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant is supposed to be really good, so we're gonna be backdooring both of these and we'll see which one we like best. We'll see which one my skin likes better. I decided I'm going to try the Sephora brand Vitamin C+E Super Glow Serum. This was only $20, so we're gonna see what your girl does, okay? Last but not least, I got Fenty Skin, the Cocoa Cleansing Bar. If you have not tried this, because when I say my skin be silky smooth, having me on point. Baby, don't tell me I done lost my eyebrow pencil. Baby girl is not in this bag, so I'm wondering if she fell out. Those are other things that I got from Sephora yesterday, with the exception of my eyebrow pencil that is now missing, and I needed to do my eyebrows. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll give you an update on how I feel about this cleanser and these exfoliants, and we will go from there. I just had to come back on and tell y'all, I'm looking at my receipt. That heifer didn't even scan my pencil. So while she was doing all that damn talking, trying to convinced me to use my 800 points that I had to get a little freebie, she left my damn pencil in the basket and didn't even scan it, and that was the whole point of me going to Sephora. Okay, so I did a little Target haul too, and when I say haul, I mean I only got 3